The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Trade and point and coupon shroud now on your cashier. Sir, and every what joining me life. What joining I'll bet me I share at the amami. So I join you bet me at the I share at the amami. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. What joining you can share for me if you have just joined. You can share for me. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Trade and point and coupon shroud now on your cashier. What joining you bet me I share at the amami. Share for me, share for me, share for me. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. I just need the ideas of my listeners, my followers, my fans. Sometimes, you know, I am a man for I say, hey, Obi yo Christian na wo say. Sometimes you can push someone to the wall. The person will do something that the person is supposed not to do. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Trade and point and coupon share so I join. Why join you bet me I share the amami. The gospel must go. I need you people, your ideas. Sometimes, you know, you might hear Gongon Bita has done this. Gongon Bita has done this. You see Abua or Kenny Bresso. What you say? Abua. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Trade and point and coupon share on your cashier. I just want to discuss something with you. When you see this side, this is in Kranza, Kumasi and Kranza. This is where the gospel Gongon Bita. This is where I'm putting my house. I have enemies me fee. Now I need the ideas of these prominent people. No, I don't want to do something that it will tarnish the work that I'm doing. That is why I'm making this video. Good afternoon to you all. Frimpong Mori, thank you for watching. Kofi Jemfi, thank you for watching. Please, if you have just joined, you can share for me. Yeah, if you have just joined, you can share for me. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Apart from the wisdom, the knowledge he has given us in doing his work, and also no, because at least I'm having a family that I should take care of. I need to get a place. At the end of the day, my family will put their head together. What I say? So this is this structure that you are seeing is for the Gongon Bita for Christ. This is in Granza. Those of you who know in Granza, this is in Granza for you. I just want to discuss something with you. So I want the security officers. To hear this. I don't want to do anything that it will tarnish my image. I don't know because say Gongon Bita na ko say. I know say you this blog bloggers. Mobeka. Hey, Gongon Bita na so akoye say Gongon Bita na. That is why I'm bringing this video out for you people to see. The gospel must go and if you have just joined, you can just share. I'm here to narrate a story to you. Hey,
Charlie, that's a
big engagement transfer.
I'm a David who Facebook. Oh, nice one.
As I see you no more teaching me.
Sir,
my class I say. I be SME bia my yafa home permitting I didn't know my bia. I will ya Juma na we yaba. I hear ball as I say, we ya Juma na we yaba. Nam probus as a ball as I say, no one calling in away. So I say I want hearing the tone you sound. I didn't know. I must stop for me workers bed. When I'm no casting the Biko Hospital. Oh, she said, I'm no casting the Biko Hospital crisis here. Why he need Jimmy Phobia or no cry? We need that and down crime say block crowd to be that. Ebeke can tam Cassewa. Minim Sabia me a Togo news and me a Libyan new. What that's all high if it didn't go. No way. Marty. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Trade and point and coupon shroud. Now on your cashier, I just want to narrate this story to you people. The place you are seeing, this is my site. Baby, it's not easy. It has taken me years in buying this land. It has taken me years in getting this thing. Yenye obi akohwie ewo ya nisusa. Asan so ewo enkola so ye ewo fie ene ade. Edi ti adwuma ye koyi. Ye ko outside Ghana, ye ko villages ye bibia. At the end of the day, na Gongon Bita e bia megbo akokra. Me ni ba bia me ni ti beto, na busuafo ni ba. Some of you say so, akwa we kura no si so ere wa mobra me twa ma ju de si so asase a wuwi 1 point na em say high nkranza and a woman. I'm telling this because sometimes an incident will happen. Obia media people, radio 4, TV 4, Obia besom because they say bibi say here. As someone make us say gongon bita na ko say gongon bita na ko say. As I see amu nkranza, ma munim nkranza. Em say first na baller bi wo ha na TV 4 bi betwitwa nkranza baller hana na baller no. Baller no be bi o mo twa blocks na dey. E bi agu no. Eti ebra omu yi baller ni floor asase we eyemani mi dey friend Florence. Em say after this video no me the particulars in documents in na ebe be because things are getting out of hand and normal urgency mo enutina me ankasa me ba life na me dey abetu biasa for na because I know say after this video mo beti de ni kwase mo te ntina I want you people to hear this asase no man ton free nkranza hene ho me be say wiasa for na nyina ti asemu asase we man ton free nkranza hene ho nkranza hene ento asase ma me to free ma me ba ko ye friend Florence tie ne tie ne pa wo Florence and I'm a tough no. Now, Salland way, Brownie. Salland, yeah, moving. My minute to Salland went for 20 years. With the receipt, you know, any no man ever say no machine. Receipt, my minute to a land, you know, also land. Eti, Mamma didn't name them Cransa, at once I said, and Cransa him to assassin, mammy. Make us as you and Cransa in your home. Senator near Pow. My minute no Tom, my minute to from Cransa in home. It is obedient Cransa hine and one semba, as I'm Cransa hine to a ball assassia. I'm the gongon bitter for Christ, the fairest preacher. And young Cransa hine on a to assassin. I never wanted to do this video, but I said it has pushed me to the wall. I dear been to me as a video. Mutena Monshan and Sopa, Assassin, I'm moon honor. Me toffee my menoho. Me toffee my woman, toffee Cransa hine. Now I said me toffee and send the bre air basso. I don't know. Emra kwamu what asase furu obi ho ade mimini wo be yan krata it is two land maye in den chekura me wo be sias edan a ye fa bibi permit em say enkranza DC utie me sanso na town engineer utie me Mr Moses tienete nie pa wo mi wiam do mu nyina contact betudwa menim say me followers please for soldiers for military for you can just call to verify. Me can say na Matthias here. Asase we me wuradi ayi ni ndu ba bia ba me kasika ma se no was asase we so a you be shocked. Wa ma mu di afusani ahemfo ebeji mi ho akwa no. Breaks go edi twa dan kro mu ntwa bi. Se se ma te se gongon bita ma di awu osesi a ewiase nyina ba te se abranche we se no ote. Tenete nie pa. Matos ase no enkrata bia maye permit I did see that my quite some law. Me quite the permit. I'm with the mammy. Sika say 75,000 permit. Nakagana yet your permit 75,000. I want to bet me see that. Now so in Sri Lanka, I mean, me cheers can I can't 500 Ghana, not 80 million permit. Because as I saw a imagine some mama boka. Bomunim Nipano Muni dealing. What you say? Me je permit ni bibia me ye madwuma no saa ta na me ni ha mu ni madwuma me ye etina me na ma me ye de me kama sempa me wo ho ana friends nana omo friend dabehene em say ye won kransa hene ene wo dabehene wo organize boys ni bi omo ebe gina me workers no so bro omo sese omo no manyina koye Ghana ha emra wa hantin so obi ye obibia ye de ko police station ma ko police station mi case o police station ma ko 4 Chenye, my year police case, my kuma for Mobati se to a casa na gongon bitamina mato. Some of the munim some wotu. Minim de me yet read and to what year money no news. Please point to me, Mohammed. Ghana ha Mranya Juma o. Mranya Juma. Nanka me masa says a mimi trans asoso. Adam Mialanga. Me bananka. Michelle coach and I can make us say Metro Man for the Metrisadia or Binim Nasa for Metro Man. How would you say Jimmy for me? It is something I don't blame those pastors with body guys and others. What I say, they may pass a real suffering in that year. ma to asase no man to free nkransan hene ho me to free woman ba ko no to free nkransan hene ho indenture transfer of ownership maye what I say you say fra bibi stool land ma ko stool land office akotua asase you say fra bi ntokua to ni nyina me nya bibia wo so nsumitua asadie bia asa me ye bia as a Ghanaian citizen who supposed to own land emra kwan bia na mafaso Edin can first attempt omo bebu mi mesin for as say omo hwibalo na sefo koy mi koye case up to now police phone can wo hwe tie ni epa o eto su mi anu me to your friends a polytank 25,000 and can it 25 million as am filling with water to the brim as omo dey sikan be twitwam as say two say wa that is the second one me say ko the same police station koye case up to now obi anya ho hwe Tenetian Yapao and Crancer Chief Efremi. I catch me say, and I'm at Tete and the Quamode or Madame Swintino. Mentor me boy, she had my mayor Jumano. Now on fret or more moody said Jumano. No muso with Dientia. Amo yes, I don't know. It is some Crancer Chief Elcham and also Tiama, where we name Crancer Chief Biano. We bet me a mammy fan Crancer Chief number no and Tuda. Me Vienna made Crancer Chief number no Atuda. And Crancer Chief has stopped him at Jumaway. Poly 3 weeks. Monsha baby your friends say kwanda where you kwan and I me material. I have moving a main road me me material si kwan no because me emergency material na wu ha. Me dey just what you call a week. Ebe si sani na fu materials na gu ha se ka bia bedu bia na ti. E ban so me ni di ni ababo se me dey e no ma begu kwam ama say can't me fa. Enche nyame kura na esra me na September the whole of September nso ntoye enso atan kasadi we nyina ka asi munim abrosan toso for foundation unu wo mutu foundation sika omoje what I say me kan say no mati ase ayekon ayeno ayesa enade ya minimo ka say show ya sesa me tools ya be say me polytank ni nyina o police station ho ya nya ho hye what I say no ansa na me beba no Crancer Chief aka kire me say ena me no mo ya ne site nti no ma me nsi site a me ntina fie no on fred dabe hene ene wo mo na ase say ball asase no on fro wo mo na mo ensanke obi on no mo nka say bia me dia me ye innocent me ba na me be madwuma obi ya me ha me ti ase me Crancer Chief last 3 weeks waka chem say last 3 weeks Sunday eno mu be hia Crancer Chief ene ni mpani fo tena fie atwa dabe hene wa ama eti ewia na Crancer Chiefs are frame last 3 weeks Saturday Sunday or frame so mo ntimi ama omo se aye bi nti Tuesday na twam another week Saba man te kwa mfuru obi a ho me so me majo se me mfa me pe emeye sebe me betro obi asase so na se me bu Crancer hene nanum asem so na bia wo de mfa se masi dan na wie ida se me meti obi na asa na so obi betie me na so meti na kona nanim me ntimi kwantimi me majo se na ma me kwan ya me nya djuma we da what you say? Etimi na mitifie. Etimi wo hwa na enye nana na frame. Me pacho mu ntianie. Nya nana na frame. Your friend say town engineer. Em say trade. Baby ai office no mo fra say. District no twede. Yeah, twede district assembly. Your engineer bi wo your friend Moses. Akufu Moses. Me pese me wie na me do mo number 2 da. Engineer no town engineer no na frame say. Me meya madwuma. If you say Crancer hina friend say problem bi o bia no watwa o ma manto omuni case eto mo ma me permit already me tua me permit sika me ni assembly ka me ni asase ka me ni stool land ka se me no mo ka se me ba ya na me ya se o mi kokrom mi ko pesika bia bra workers no me ba ya no hwe anopa no mo message sa motor we bra be hade anopa no mo message motor we Shibalo mode yaduma we assembly your friend say assembly mo okroma ni shibalo no de afemi Shibalo amatoto ne mesavu amatoto nyina no amasesa de ko we be ka say brother is the police not around? The police are around. I've called the police several times but no one is responding. Wouldn't be tell me your video me omo be sesa me no mo de kwa workers no omo prebi right now me de work about the hospital say am no ka say omo premi work about ku say o da hospital me no ka say me ko police station ko ye case me sa ba ya efia me ma ko han ya workers ni ntram say be ade ton ba be adwuma no omo sa to boys ni we for boys no dabe hene dabehine abo amopa no awura edam ho akwose sam mrante no fon ba akokra ibrahim hwe wo yem no de omudi twa ho no we ka ne ba ko nie ne fon de akwa mo hwe de omudi ye ne yem hwe so amfa yi na mana anko ye twa ne yem o enie so kona men kasa ya mi pese wi asofa na nyina tie na mu tie nie e bia beti se osofu bia ye sei evangelist bia ye sei what the ote yanti de ohun ye hu nyame din ana nyankopon di da ofinti no wo na obi atage na sansam fu we ubetimi akodi na obi nim anim san kwasi asem wodi betimi dia fa e fa se obofo edanchi Ghana ha mranya juma o amranya juma san kamranya juma e kasa omo stati se omo ba yi so mi ko police station so ade awom nie krata to me krata some dey juma bia me provide I'm having every document. DC we are aware. DC we are aware. Me the document na be now. Town engineer we are aware. Madam Sewa inspector case we are aware. Omo say enkrasa de sa, enkrasa de sa. We are yankosi aga enkrasa de sa. Enya me so. I am the gongon bitter for Christ. When you see any person, say, see, I me buy Juma. Nemu Chelewate, Edemika, have a cantam. Now I hear no crowd, I can't want to be Boston and me, Juma. Somebody, for now, come a bush penny, and we need a bush penny clock, now, Baba. I'm a Jimmy, breaks the Cromun Chabio. Cromunibi. Eno mu jimi wa ha it is all say gongon bita say next year me pese me update you na man tu dia cheneteli pa o me pese me update you na be obi aka say eh osofo no aye say osofo no aye me ka say say here da behene no ne nkofo ba ko ntoma say sebe ya de tue no ma because omu say akwa we ni tiri afu we se telebi the gospel must go and the gospel is still going. It's me patcho. Those of you who have idea from in one way or the other, because what I know is that Ghana have the right to own the land, to build the land. Tax is involved. You know, material, building permits, my engineer now by site, or my by site BBR. They approve say I have your ball assassin. I have the town plan. Town plan ball assassin or maybe the astro. I have fit up one and never have fit up one and what's your honor. So here's a few account. So come baby near your ball assassin. A tree about a ball. I have fit up one and never have. Will be crying and I do so see them do her. I'm the foundation you cry the wall. The more who foundation you. Oh, yeah, assassin, as you can see. I did have one assassin and go BC now. Can I tell you? But I said the no ball and it's and I have the tower won't pay. There will be a year. Not fit for, I'm the fitter for ye. Not fit for land whistle. It is now, I'm saying, I don't know, not fit for need in a ball and so. There's no much a ball and as you. I don't know. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Master, after this, you know, Master, those of you, I know, say most of you are lawyers, most of you are security officers, because all the procedure that I need to go through, I've gone through. All the procedure, I gave them that due respect, because who better know big room. What I say, and see, so when he can be here, so what I say, but I seem say they've taken my leniency to be my weakness. Maybe I'm here, yes, I'm master, they think no, maybe I cannot do anything. Say I'm not going to be every baby or baby. Or my friend or the hospital. And you fit a friend and one or more Jane came back on Mokunatua. So this is what I want the whole world to know. Aha, I am Kranza and Kranza and Mijin. Man, I'm winning baby and Kranza for 2 more ball and Nuguno. A straw, the Bia Mechanic and a straw, a honor 2 ball and Nugu. I hear my Mibia Sass, a friend Florence. Nasas in the one of me toss a man toss as in free Kranza chief for man toss as in free. Say, sell me no more cassette. Or he never had one bomb, and 19 Kutupano. Wabekan can be a minimum santam, so funny Jimmy Franco. That's uncle some cock a cramicram in Tibida. I dear Jimmy Salmon, and I Ghana, Mocasa Ghana, a young Kranza no one Ghana. Trade up on your coupon on your cashier. So if you have any idea about this, I know most of you are you've dived deep into the into the law, that you know the legal right, the procedure to go through. Me, what I know is that you buy the land. After you've acquired the land legally, you go for your building permit. After the building permit, you go and see the stool land. You pay that one too. I've done everything, but I don't know the reason why. I don't know the reason why. I joined the gospel preaching church. I avail myself to teach and to be taught. Salvation of souls is my focus, so help me God. Shalom, peace. If you are blessed with this video, you can share for me. Bye bye. This is the land. Yeah, this is the land, and we are on it. Omo. I bet warning echo. I'm saying Kwanza chief Nankasa when you my friend when you but dabbing hino. Only the anymore yes sir. Dabbing hino any the anymore. What do you call police station? Catch yourself for people say a ball abrawa farmer. And what Tiano Washam and Rantin Kutupa or pay one city mouth koto your friends a job. Maybe sit dabbing hino yes sir. Dabbing hino. Now I can say Messomede Marabasham in some Tinam Pesi we are suffering. Shalom, peace. Bye bye.